Hello, welcome back to Guidancy Education channel. In this video, we will do a few problems related to lens. But before we pass on to the problem, please watch the video completely. Please do not skip the video. And if you think the video is useful, like the video, share the video, and also leave your comments in the comment box below. Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell button so that you get intimated as soon as videos are posted. In this video, I have added 2 questions for you to think and find out the answer. I have given 2 possible answers there. You just pick out the correct one and post it in the comment box. Okay, thank you. Now let us continue the video. Let us see the first problem. Calculate the power of the following lenses, the focal length of which are A 50 cm, B 1.5 meter. What are the facts that are given? For section A and section B, the focal length is given. The focal length is positive value, so we take it as convex lens. In the first case, the focal length is given in centimeter, and in B it is given in meter. You have to make a note of this. Now, what is the solution? We use the formula power P is equal to 1 by F. F is 50 centimeter in the first case. 50 centimeter means we have to convert that into meter. So it becomes 50 by 100 meter. So this equation becomes 1 by 50 by 100, which is equal to 100 by 50. On solving, this will become 2. So the power of lens A is 2 diopter. The unit of power is diopter. So for the first question A, the answer is 2 diopter. In B, it is 1.5 meter. So we can directly apply that P is equal to 1 by 1.5. We can get, we can convert it like this. On solving, you will get 0.66 diopter. What is the second problem that is asked? What will be the power if the above lenses are concave? For concave lens, F is equal to negative. So the equation becomes P is equal to 1 by negative F. So this will become 100 by negative 50, which will be equal to negative 2 diopter. For the section B, it is 1 by negative 1.5. So that will be equal to negative 0.66 diopter. We have already seen that if focal length is negative, power also is negative. Okay. Now let us see the third problem. The radius of curvatures of a biconvex lens is 10 centimeters and 15 centimeters. If the focal length is 12 centimeter, find the refractive index of the material of the lens. What is the material? What is the solution? R1 is equal to 10 centimeter. It is on the other side. That is, if you represent the lens like this, R1 is measured in this direction and R2 is measured in this direction. This is the direction of the incident light. So R1 is positive 10 centimeter and R2 is negative 15 centimeter. For a biconvex lens, F is positive. So F is equal to positive 12 centimeter. You have to calculate refractive index N. And you have also to understand what is the material of the lens. We use lens maker's formula. 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. F is equal to 12. So substituting, you get 1 by 12 is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by 10 minus 1 by negative 15. This negative and this negative makes it positive here. We are shifting this quantity over to the left hand side and shifting this quantity over to the right hand side. So it becomes what? 1 by N minus 1 is equal to 12 into 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. This becomes equal to 12 into 25, 15 plus 10, 25 and 15 into 10, 150. So 12 into 25 by 150. On simplification, it becomes 12 into 1 by 6. 25 goes 6 times in 150. This is equal to 12 by 6. That is equal to 2. So what is it that you have got? 1 by n minus 1 is equal to 2. So we change it. We want this in the numerator. So what do? N minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 0.5. Then what is n? N becomes equal to 0.5 plus 1. When this is shifted over there, it becomes plus. This becomes 1.5. So n is equal to 1.5. This is the answer. N is equal to 1.5. Refractive index of the material is equal to 1.5. So the material that has 1.5 as a refractive index is glass. So this is answered and this also is answered. Material of the lens is glass. N is equal to 1.5. Let us do another problem. If the focal length of a convex lens is 15 cm in air, find its focal length in water. Refractive index of air water, that is water with reference to air, is equal to 1.33. Refractive index of glass with reference to air is 1.5. So these are the details that are given. So 1.33 is refractive index of water and 1.5 is refractive index of glass. So these are the data that are given. Focal length is given. The material of the lens is glass. Let us solve this problem. Let us take the refractive index of glass as N2. N2 is equal to 1.5. N1 is equal to that of water equal to 1.33. We will make use of the lens formula. That is lens maker's formula. What does it say? 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. For lens in air, 1 by F is equal to 1 by 15 is equal to, what is N? Here N is N2 and that is 1.5 minus 1. 1 is the refractive index of air. This one and this one stands for refractive index of air. The lens is in air into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. From this we can find out 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 becomes equal to 15 into 1.5 minus 1 becomes 0.5. So this will be equal to 7.5. On further simplification, this will become 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 will be equal to 1 by 7.5. Take care here, this when the left hand side is reversed, the right hand side also has to be reversed. So this becomes 1 by 7.5. Let it remain. Now for lens in water, what will be the equation? For lens in air, we took the refractive index of air in the numerator on the left hand side. So here what do? We take the refractive index of water in the numerator. So it becomes 1.33 by focal length of the lens in water is equal to, what is N? That of material of the lens. So it becomes 1.5 minus refractive index of the medium, that is water, 1.33 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2 becomes 1 by 7.5. We have already derived that. So this becomes 0.17 into 1 by 7.5. On the left hand side you have 1.33 by focal length of the lens in water. On simplification, 1.33 divided by 0.17 by 7.5 is equal to focal length of the lens in water, and this will be equal to 1.33 into 7.5 by 0.17, and on simplification what will be the value? 58.676. We can take it as 58.68 centimeter. So the focal length of the lens in water is equal to 58.68 centimeter. I would just leave two questions here. You just try to find out the answer for that question. If you are able to find the answer, please post it in the comment box below. If you are not able to get it, you post that also in the comment box. We will discuss it in the next video. Now let us see what are the questions. What happens to focal length of lens in a denser medium? Increases or decreases? What happens to power of lens in water? Increases, decreases. So I have given two options as the answer. I hope you have understood all these portions very well, and we will meet in the next video and discuss 2 or 3 problems. Thank you.